right, here comes the paw with Ari. Woohoo! Was that fun? Yeah? All right. You guys ready for lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's Pa's garden. Getting ready for some yum-yums.
Taters.
Taters. Okay, taters.
Maters.
Carrots.
Taters and maters.
Taters and maters. Okay, March 26th, 2023. And where are we going, Ari?
The riverfall? Waterfall?
The waterfall.
Riverfall?
The waterfall.
At the waterfall, I'm going to fill up a cup of water too while I'm at it.
Oh, fun.
What do I do?
It probably wouldn't be good because, you know, deers and other nature's animals, they drink that water.
Oh, yeah, you don't want to drink
And they
that
also
water.
pee-pee in the water, too.
I'm not going to drink it. I'm going to use it for something.
You're going to use it for something. What, for a
We can check
hairstyle
out
or something?
the pH. Oh, look at the super bloom. Super bloom.
Yeah, little blue.
What are they called again? Those orange
Super
ones?
blue.
Poppies?
Poppies.
Yeah,
The poppies took up, they took up almost all Temecula, and they took up, what's it called? LLA, all LLA too.
LLA.
LA.
Woo, we got a super bloom this year for sure.
There's dry.
And lupin.
What's it called again? Those white
And lupin. And baby's breath. Lupin.
How you spell?
Lupin.
L-U-P-I-N.
Dragon breath too, right here. Those little white flowers.
What are the yellow ones?
I don't know.
I don't know. I think the short ones are like
Desert daisies.
desert daisies. Okay, desert daisies.
I've been going all day without a hat. Top of my head feels like it's better.
What is
No.
what is
Look
that
at all the
called?
bloom right there.
What is that
Look
called?
at that whole stretch of it over there in the back.
Okay, when you get closer, then I'll.
When we can go around on that back emergency road.
We have our
You
own,
can really see it really good.
our own super bloom.
I'll take some flowers on that.
All right, so these are the California poppies, and they originate from an area that actually has an old bunkhouse right in there. I guess I'm as close as I can get. And they sweep over to the west and over to the east.
See why you can use the binoculars.
The camera is on binocular mode now. So it has the orange
Wow,
California
it's so
poppies and the
far
purple
away.
lupin.
It's so far away. And look, I'm looking at the binocular. It's so far away. Look at it.
Pretty cool.
Take a look. See how far away. Look, I have these at home, and you know what I do? I call this, I look inside of them, and
Yeah.
I see that dust, and I put it on my shirt for good luck.
All right. Let's go see if there's water flowing in the waterfall. Okay, Pa. What do you see? Oh, I see running water here. Yeah? Ooh, I'll bet you she's flowing really nice. Whoa. Oh, yeah. A little catch pin. Nice. How fun. Well, yeah. It's mushy. Oh, that's a good idea, Pa. There you go. She's got her mounting block. Mounting rock.
Oh.
Yeah, we're just gonna put a saddle on Pa so you can ride him up to the waterfall. Boy, she is really flowing. See, it's more than when I showed it to you last time, Pa. The steady steed.
Hello.
Woo! Wow, is that cool or what? How many days since it rained?
Look at the monster gets the fern.
Yeah, the fern that grows in there.
Why is it yellow?
It's a lichen. That's on video.
Oh, sorry. All right, well, I guess we're on video.
All right. Yep, you can hear her flowing.
Wait, I have to go back. I forgot.
What did you forget?
Wait, no.
Just be careful around that cactus, she'll bite you.
Okay, can I put these in there again? Let me put them back in there, please.
You gonna see if they float down here? Is it coming down?
Yeah, sit there.
All right, let's see if we can.
Kurt. You gotta put your name through there. That's good job. Go. Go. Hey, don't get stuck. I don't
Get
want
stuck.
you to get stuck. Look at the waterfall. Yes, keep going. Can you leave a little hard right there?
Here it is, right there.
Ooh,
Whoop.
be cool. Don't get stuck right there.
Oh, where'd she go? Oh,
Help.
we got stuck again. A lot of obstacles that poor little flower has to go through. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. There she is. So that one's going home with you?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Since he won, the water.
Won the race. All right.
Wish we could stay next time with you.
Next time we'll stay longer.
Together.
Yep, we just need to spend more time down here. It's so pretty.
These are the beautiful flowers down here.
I know you like the yellow over the orange. You prefer the daisies.
That looks beautiful staring right at me. I have to take all of them. Can I take all of them?
No, because they need to reseed and make more for you. All right,
That's enough.
that's enough. That's enough. That is a cool looking dead tree. It has lichen growing on it, I guess.
And I got flowers.
And Ari has flowers.
Water flowers. That's
Water flowers, waterfall flowers. Okay, let's load up, take you home.